Okay, I'll show you how to get a commercial loan application in less than 3 minutes, and then you will get 6 lenders calling you in 24 hours. You select a state. Let's say you need to get a loan in Florida. You choose Florida, you should continue, and you move into the next screen. You select a commercial property. You could also shoot those pesky brokers. Here is the commercial property. And let's say you want a first trust deed, you shoot on it. If you need a loan amount for $560, you simply shoot it until you get, let's say $560 here, and you click. I'll shoot some pesky broker here. It's so much fun to shoot those guys. You get a lot of points when you do it. So let's say it's a non-owner occupied, you shoot that. And the next screen is the loan purpose. In case it's a refinance with additional cash out, you shoot it. Could you verify document? This option here is perfect for hard money loan. We have thousands of private investor, hard money lenders things. Now you go to the credit, you shoot your credit, confirm it, and you move to the next screen, and you're almost there. You click continue. Now you see the loan. Here is the loan, and you could see the loan cost and the interest rate and the monthly payment, and you could change loan programs here. And you could also change the interest rate by shooting it. You could reduce it. You notice when you shoot them, then the loan cost will go up, or vice versa. You could shoot the target inside here to reduce the loan cost. And where all the information that you enter during the game is recorded, so you don't need to enter any other information aside of your email. So you're going to receive 6 quotes now from lenders, and you may be able to get a lot more quotes after a week. You could see here the estimated property value, loan request that you entered earlier. It's all there. All you need to do now is click OK here and continue.